Hello. In this video, I'll review searching for credible internet resources for your ESLS 094 research assignment. I'll begin by reviewing what to search in Google. Next, I'll go over evaluating and reviewing websites. And finally, I'll provide some citation tips. I'll begin at the internet search engine, google.com. Next, I'll enter my search terms, the name of my inventor, Alexander Graham Bell, and the name of his invention, the telephone. The last thing you will want to type is site, S-I-T-E, :.org. One of the requirements for your internet resource will be that it either ends, the URL address ends in a .org or a .edu. Entering site: .org will tell Google only to show websites that end in .org. Now I'm ready to enter my search. The first result is Wikipedia, and this is not an appropriate source for your research. I'll scroll down to the first source that isn't Wikipedia and select the link. This webpage appears to be biographical information about Alexander Graham Bell, and it's from PBS, or also known as Public Broadcasting Station. There is not an author for the webpage listed, but we do have a brief biography and several resources that the creator of the webpage linked to. It's a good idea to click on these links and see that they still work. Page not found. So this page is getting a little old. The copyright is from 1999. It may have good information, but it's likely that no one is paying attention to this page or updating it regularly. Let's go back to my result list. I'll skip over the next PBS webpage, and let's take a look at this link, Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor who transformed. National Inventors Hall of Fame. So again, it does not appear that we have an author, but that's okay. When citing a website, the first piece of the citation will be the author. If there is no author listed, you would start with the title of the webpage. In this case, it would be Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor who transformed communication. I'll scroll down and I don't see a date or any sources. There is a Learn More section. We could also take a look at the About Us page, and this will be a helpful way to determine whether or not the website is credible. Is there an About Us section of their website? And that will be really very helpful. There was no date of publication, but we can use the copyright date, which is this year, 2020. This looks like something that could be trusted and would be a useful source for your research assignment. Let's take a look back at the result list. And we just want to make sure that we haven't missed anything. You may want to change your search from a .org to a .edu. And now, all of the websites that Google is showing me will end in a .edu or come from an academic institution. I'll want to review this list as well to see if there's anything else that could be helpful for my research. If you have questions about searching for credible internet resources or citing websites, you can always ask a librarian. Thank you for watching this video.